Okay, having a look at the addition rule for probability. So when we are looking at the addition rule, our rule is that the probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B, take away the probability of A and B. So a scenario that we might have is a pack of cards, and we might want to know the probability of a queen or a spade. So to do that, we're going to need to know what the probability of a queen is in the pack. So we know we have 52 in the pack of cards, and there are 4 queens. We can simplify that to 1 on 13 if we want, or just leave it over 52, probably easier. We then want the probability of a spade. Now in the pack of cards, a quarter of them are spades, so that's 13 out of 52, or you could use that quarter. I like to use 52 because it makes it easy to add and subtract. And then we want the probability of a queen and a spade. Or notation there, queen and spade. Now, I know that there's 1 queen of spades in the pack, which is 1 on 52. If I didn't know that and I wanted to calculate, I would do the probability of queen times the probability of a spade. So if we did 13 on 52 times 4 on 52, we should get our 1 on 52 there. So now we have the 3 pieces that we need, the 4 on 52, the 13 on 52, the 1 on 52. So now we're going to bring that together, and we will do our probability of a queen or a spade is going to equal our probability of a queen plus the probability of a spade, take away the probability of a queen and spade. So we've got the probability of the queen is 4 on 52. Then we've got our probability of spade is 13 on 52. And then we're taking away the probability of a queen and spade, which is 1 on 52. So when we do 4 plus 13, we get 17. Take away 1 is 16 on 52. So we can simplify that. If you're not sure how to simplify that, I always say to my students, you can always check it on the calculator. On this one, I can just do 16 divided by 52. I can get the decimal, but if I go to math 1, and it will change that to the fraction for me, which is 4 on 13. Okay, so when you're using that rule, you could be asked to find out the probability of A or B, or you might be able to, or be asked to do one of the other parts of the rule. So finding the A and B, or the B or the A, depending what you were given in the question.